now spring is coming, and it's especially after pandemic, it's the time actually for our self to improve immunity, getting stronger. So in springtime, that's the time for liver and gallbladder meridian. It's all belong to the wood elements. So in the spring, you see all the plants, the flowers, you see the greenish, the whole world became green. So in the springtime, our YangQi need to get out, need more exercise. As wintertime, our YangQi need to go inside, preserve our YangQi. Summertime, we need the YangQi get out. So summer, people are more active when weather is getting warmer and warmer. And the spring is like put the seed, like in the ground, our YangQi, like the seeds, gradually grow up. So in the spring, if we still stay inside, like the previous 3 years, for the pandemic 3 years, people stay inside, our YangQi were suppressed. And so that's why people have so many feel emotional problem, depressing, irritable, angry, because our YangQi cannot get out. We people just stay inside. So this is the first year after pandemic, the springtime we can get out, and we need our YangQi have more exercise, get out. Then our emotion will get better. Our emotion will be happier. So this is very important for liver gallbladder function. So today's exercise, this week, also the whole spring, important is gallbladder and the liver. So these are the tools. You can use this one. You can buy this one any Amazon or any other site. And this, if you don't have this one, you can just use this from your kitchen. Still, you can do it. So this is gallbladder meridian. This also can help you detoxing. The past 3 years, too many toxin accumulated inside your body. And that's a middle line here. It also can help you lose weight and thinner. So typing here too. This is liver. Inside is liver meridian. So I use this one. This one's too big. You type in here. Actually, you can type in all the way down. But most important is here. Both sides. Okay, follow me to several minutes. If you feel pain, that means you have stagnation here, and your liver function have some problems. And many people in the first time, they even have bruise come out. I just had a patient send me a picture. The first time she typing, one leg have so many bruises come out. Another leg is fine. So that's each person's reaction is different. If you had bruise come out, then you just you need to stop to typing. Otherwise, you feel too much. Maybe you have the detoxing reaction. You feel fatigue, tired, but that's still okay, because after the detoxing, you feel more energetic. But to help you, this process smooth, let your body adapt this process gradually. Then you may just, if you have bruise come out, just let your body heal it. After it's disappear, then you continue to tap it again. This side, okay, the gallbladder outside. See the pants, the line here, Just the same, outside also people have bruise too. Many people the first time feel very painful here. Okay, so put your arm here and where your middle finger, try to massage this place. Many people feel very painful here. That's an important point for gallbladder. You can type in more. And also many people feel pain here too. And if you want to lose the fat here, you can type in more here. And the liver. Many people feel painful here. You can type in more. And a woman, especially women here, and also here. You may massage like the bone here. Okay, massage right below the knee, this area. And for detoxing, right now many people have sciatic pain, neck pain, lower back pain. In the past 3 years, they feel very sitting too long. And so stomach, also have stomach issues. So typing here, right below, behind the knee, here. You may feel very painful. That means your lower back, your back have problems. So this one help you back problems. Here. Type in here, and this side too, huh? Okay, and now another exercise help our YangQi getting stronger, and also help our liver, kidney, and spleen functions, and help the bladder meridian, like YangQi, all the way from the neck to our body. It's from all the way, and YangQi goes up here. So this exercise. Like standing up on your toes, up and down, up and down. You can also put goes up, even help YangQi goes up. Yeah, you do this until you feel soreness, here. The whole neck. That means you reach the limitation of your qi, enough qi. So that means when you feel soreness, that means your qi is getting deficiency. That's why you need to continue, continue until the qi goes up. And especially when you do computer a lot, sitting on the desk, then you need to get up to do this often. So especially the springtime. Then you will feel the qi goes up, you feel emotion is better, you feel more peaceful. The best is to outdoor. It's so warm right now. See the sun. And another important thing is for the whole winter you stay inside, right? Now you can go outdoor to enjoy the sun, and the sun is shining on the back. That's very important to get our YangQi stronger. See? So they have so many points. It's all related to internal organs. So that's the sun shining on the back. Get the sun inside until you feel chest warm up. That can reach your body temperature, can kill the virus, COVID virus, or other virus, and also cancer cells. Research shows the cancer cells and virus are afraid of the high temperature. They like cold environment, acid environment. So let the sun shining in our body like a back, and you feel until the sun gets into your chest, feel warm up. Very important for the spring, because after after the whole winter time, you have so many coldness inside. It's a time for you to get the YangQi stronger, to help you immunity stronger, prepare for this whole year, the coming winter time. When winter time, maybe the COVID will come back again, the flu season will come back, and you get enough YangQi, then it help you fight in this coming winter.